How did this one go?
Cutting the objects was very satisfying.
For your ease of understanding, I will be summarizing this section with examples.
I will not forget.
These materials that usually have this lustrous shine are metals. Some examples would be
Iron, aluminium, and copper.
Well, if you noticed, gold is shiny too.
Oh no, such a silly mistake.
Do you know why these metals lose their shine?
How?
Well, let me show you. So, can you look at the crane and tell me what it's made up of?
Metal, maybe? But it looks so old and dusty, Dad.
You were right, son. It is made up of metal. This crane used to be new and shiny, but now it looks quite old and dull. Do you know why?
Because it is old?
You're partly correct. But the main reason for them becoming dull is that the surface of these metals have been exposed to air and moisture atmosphere, so they lose their shine.
Oh, that is why the crane looks quite old.
This is also known as rusting of metals. From the experiment where you were cutting the materials, did you notice that even though few objects look dull on the outside, the surface inside was shiny?
Yes, but why is it so?
This is because the inner portion is not exposed to air and moisture.
Well, I should have deduced that